Hey guys, AJ with Hogworkz here, and today we're going to be showing you how to remove the front fairing on a 23.5 plus Road Glide. Let's get started. Some tools you'll need for this removal are going to be a drill and some bits, and if you want to use hand tools, you will need a T25 and a T27, along with a body or trim tool to pry. The first thing we're going to do is take the windshield off, and you'll need your T25 to pull the 4 bolts that hold the windshield. Now we remove the windshield, and now we're going to use our T25 to pull off the windshield mounts. Next, we're going to pop off our air vent, and it helps to have the knob in the center position here, and it also helps to have a body tool to pop this front piece off. So you'll just pop it off both sides. And this piece, you pull it up and it comes right off. Next, we're going to take off the air deflectors on the sides of the bike. You're going to need a T27 for that. And then you slide it down and out. Pull the deflector out and down. Okay, next, we're going to take our body tool and pop the speaker covers off. You're going to want to go from top to bottom so you don't break your tabs. And you'll see the tabs here and here. Make sure you have the white clips still. And now we're going to do the T27s underneath the speaker cover. All right, brothers, take off these top 2 T27s. After taking these out, the fairing will sit on top like so. Okay, so we're gonna slide the front fairing down a little bit. Then you take your thumbs, get it in the groove here, and you're gonna spread it apart a little bit. It should slide right out. And that is how you remove your front fairing on your 23.5 plus Road Glide. Thanks for watching.